So these are the locks which I'm taking out. These are the locks which I'm taking out. So there is one more lock here. One, two. This is one more. So I'm going to take out this lock again. Right, you can see this. These are the locks. Then we have one more here. This is one more. We have one more here. So altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So far 5. Then there's one more here. Well, this one is a little bit difficult to open, but hopefully I can open this one. So let's see. Oh, this is giving me a problem. Just one, but no problem. You see this? I can open up this one with the help of this screwdriver. So far I've taken out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 locks. So if you can see, there are 6 locks, and let's find out if there's one more here. If you can see here. Right. So far we have taken out 7 locks. So 7, then there is one more, 8. So 8 locks, and we need to take out this one as well. So basically, if I take out this one, this is going to break away. So this is what I will take it out, and I think there are 2 screws out here. If you can see this, there are 2 screws. So let me take out this one as well. And there are 2 screws. So I will take out the whole thing, and we'll do